just turned on the news and seen that man who never got pussy in school and making laws about what women could do.
Bad bitches,
yeah, phone though.
Bad bitches, can't see it with.
Like what?
Bad bitches, mad bitches.
Damn.
Like what?
You wanna fuck with that?
Good morning, guys. It's hella early. I don't even have the energy to be like, hey guys, what's up? It's we're not doing that fake shit. It is currently 8:12 and I'm at my lash tech shop right now. I'm waiting for her because my appointment was at 8 and I got here. Thought I was gonna be late, but I got here at 8, y'all. And she texted me and was like, I'm gonna be 15 minutes late. I don't usually go to her. I've been to her a couple times and I did like the way that she did my lashes. My other girl, she's bomb, so we don't have nothing to say about her. This girl, I've never had no type of like late, like she was always on time, always professional. We're gonna let this one small inconvenience not stop nothing. Hopefully I get done by the time 11, at least 11, so I can get to my hair appointment because I'm getting my hair done. This is just an overall like maintenance for Valentine's Day, even though I don't have a date, but I'm gonna still go get cute, try to take some pictures and all of that because hey, why not? Self-care is the best care, y'all. I'm just that girl that always has shit done. Like, I make sure to keep my stuff done. Sorry about this bonnet, it looks really crazy, but I don't care. This is the real me. I'm gonna try to go this down before I go in here because I don't want to be like laying down and my stomach starts growling the whole time. That's not cute. It's currently 8:15. Hopefully she lets me vlog. I don't think it's gonna be a problem or an issue. I'm just waiting for her to get here and we're gonna see. I'm gonna let the lashes speak for itself.
Whoa. I got feelings for you. Hope you ain't loving the crew. How many bodies you got? Pray it ain't more than a few. Know that you dealt with some lames when you was young and in school. He had to pop your cherry, but I got it wet like a pool. She got a new G-Wag, she wanna hit highlight room and show it out. Got a new body, girl, show it out. It's a Brazilian, I know it's all. Toned up and she got a six-pack. Look like she used to play volleyball. American Express, you can have it all. Cold to the same.
Just got my lashes done. If you're wondering, this is a volume set and I asked for spiky. I probably won't be going to her. I really went to her because she was cheaper and I wanted to save a couple coins. She doesn't do a bad job, as y'all can tell. She was coming off kind of rude, so I didn't want to film too much in there. I don't understand why you're rude when you're the one that was late, but we're not gonna talk too much on that. You were late. Why are you mad? Like, you were 30 minutes late. That don't got nothing to do with me, ma'am.
Bought a bitch a petty. I ain't love her, I just kept her Mercedes.
Cold to the safe, you can have it all. Fuck your main page, what's your feelings? I wanna know the real you. You started dancing to pay your tuition, girl, I wanna know what you been through. You want a boutique or you wanna sell hair? Just let me know what you into.
I had to stop at the beauty spot store, so I'm gonna be like a couple minutes late because she had asked me to pick up a cap, and I guess we're not going to her normal location spot today. I'm going to another shop that she told me to come to because I have no reason. I don't know the reason yet. I'm on the way there to the appointment right now. But yeah, guys, I like my lashes. They came out cute now. Hair. And then nails and eyebrows and all of that. And I have to run a couple errands because I need a new flat iron. What else do I need, y'all? I need a couple things. I'm probably gonna go to Ulta and find like a better flat iron because the beauty supply store, that one didn't have nothing. Besides, I want more options, so that's why I'm going to Ulta. But yeah, y'all, I'm on the way to the shop and I'll see y'all when I get there.
If you out in public and he want your number, just tell him my nigga spin you.
Feel these days, some getting dry for your baby girl, smoke a nigga car for your baby.
Yo, why am I feeling my fucking self right now?
Say you want a pretty bitch, huh? Say you want a raw.
I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it right now. Don't play with me.
I touched that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you.
Okay guys, so I just came back from Ulta, and I spent $100 on 3 things. I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home. I'm actually at the nail salon. Oh my god, it's somebody in the fucking car, bitch, fucking staring at me, and I didn't know. Just got back from the nail salon. That nail salon, it's pretty nice in there. They did have a lot of nets and stuff like flying around me. Mind y'all, it's beautiful on the inside. Like, it's nicely decorated. It's not like a ran down, ugly looking nail shop. It was just like a couple nets. Like you know how that net just won't like leave you alone like a couple times. Yeah, but other than that, the customer service was good. I got the red French tips and I got red on my toes. I'm not really like used to getting red because I'm not like a red type of girl. I don't know, red gives me very like grown woman on your shit, and I'm on my shit, but I'm not a grown ass woman yet. I'm on the way to Chick-fil-A because I am starving. I ain't have nothing all day except for this protein shake that y'all seen. Go get me a nugget in a small fry and devour. And then guys, Crumble Cookie is having their flavors, so we're gonna go try the flavors that they have. Some people be like, oh, Crumble Cookie's nasty. Okay, well, I'm gonna give y'all my opinion because I fuck with Crumble. I don't care what nobody says. Don't y'all hate when y'all filming and I'm parked all the way where nobody would be at, and this lady wanna come park beside me. Like, I know y'all see her. Like, why? She's literally getting out of her car. Like, the place is all the way up there. You park all the way in the back where I'm at by myself. Okay guys, so I'm on my phone right now because my camera is saying that something is wrong with my camera lens. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It's really annoying me right now. Like, guys, I'm really pissed off because everything was going. I had to take it off. Like, the lens, you see how it's like, see how this part is like sticking out? It's supposed to be in. It's supposed to be retracted. Every time you turn the camera or off, it's supposed to retract. Now it's saying it can't even, it's not detached properly, and it's not working, and I'm pissed off. But I got my Chick-fil-A. I'm hungry. Chick-fil-A sauce the goats. Y'all like inside my dashboard right now because I don't have no camera tripod at the moment, so we're working on it. It's so good. What sauces do y'all like? I got Polynesian too. I love Polynesian for my nuggets. Sorry, it's dusty. I'm not gonna lie. Shit dusty. It's dusty as fuck. But I wiped it off. So if anybody's OCD, there you go. I did that for y'all. Look at it, ladies. Where is it? Yeah. Why is all the bad shit always happening to me? Literally. 12-count nugget. And I got my water because all I drink is water. Ladies, I'm trying to tell y'all, drink your water. Coochie, skin, everything will be amazing. So many benefits. And y'all, my skin has cleared up tremendously ever since I've been drinking turmeric tea every day. Turmeric tea, and then I have this new skincare routine that has been helping, and I can really put y'all on game. Like, if you suffer from hyperpigmentation on your skin, anything like that, I got y'all. If I'm smacking, click out the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my food, and then we're gonna go to Crumble. Do y'all ever be mixing y'all sauces? I don't, but we gonna try. So I came to Rite Aid. That's where I'm at right now. I'm at Rite Aid, and I came here because I needed some saline spray for my piercing that I just got. But I'm probably just gonna go to a tattoo shop near my house, and then I need to go to Walgreens too, but I might not even go because I need to get some new mouthwash and some new deodorant. Y'all, I'm gonna finish my food, and then I'm gonna be on the way to cook crumble, and I'll let y'all know when I get my box.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something I need. Tonight get my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up.
Skin is going, and then, bro, look at my fucking skin, sun-kissed, but lace. Yeah, fuck.
Just turned on the news and seen that man who never got pussy in school and making laws about what women could do.
Finally back in the motherfucking crib, y'all. I've been with y'all all motherfucking day. But guys, I'm gonna try the crumble cookie because I finally was able to get home and go ahead and try it for you guys. So the first one I'm gonna try, we're gonna start with the M&M's one because this one, they're not warmed up because I didn't go downstairs and do it and I don't feel like it. The M&M one. Okay. I like a regular M&M cookie, like Chips Ahoy with the colorful M&Ms. Just a gigantic one. Okay, now I'm gonna try the confetti cake. Oh, I forgot to rate it. The M&M's one, regular chocolate chip M&M's cookie, was a good 6 out of 10. The confetti, it's a good 4 out of 10. It just tastes like a sugar cookie with sprinkles, and I can barely taste the sprinkles. And the next one I'm gonna try is a chocolate covered strawberry. It smells good. Wait, I'm sorry. Hold on. That's good. Y'all, this one, chocolate covered strawberry, y'all, this one is so good. Crumble, it is your big one. I might have to have another little piece of that because that was actually really good. Okay, crumble, I'm gonna rate that one an 8 out of 10. I like it. It's sweet, it's balanced. I F with it, and I'm a sweets person. That's me. I love sweets all day, every day. The last one is the New York cheesecake. It looks like, okay, I think I had this one before. I had one that tasted like this. Y'all, I'm getting full. That was okay. I rate that a 7 out of 10. I think I had it before. If y'all can see if y'all want me to start doing mukbangs and stuff like that, please let me know. Like driving mukbangs. I don't know, me sitting down talking, I would have to like have questions and stuff to talk. And when I'm eating. Like I'm not trying to fucking talk. I'm trying to eat. Like I'm one of them. There's no talking when I'm eating at all. I did end up going to, as y'all know, I went to Ulta. I went to like Walgreens to go pick up a couple like products that I needed from the stores. But from Walgreens, I'm gonna hurry up and do like a quick little haul. Not really too much. I got this Wet n Wild mascara because, like I said, y'all, I wear lashes. I don't be wearing my little real lashes, but when I do, I just wanna pop some mascara on. I don't need nothing too crazy. I got this Maybelline, just some powder. I need some type of powder. I have like banana powder, but I need something to set my foundation in before I put the powder on. So I just got this stuff right here. I wanted to try a new flavor mouthwash. When I tell y'all probably already seen it. When I tell y'all this brand, TheraBreath, your breath, bro, all night, all day. So all day, your breath will be good. Even if you bring this with you in your purse and just gargle it after lunch, or you eat something that's crazy, bring that with you. Your breath will be good. These blushes were cheap. They were like $3. Whew. and I'm getting into blushes. So like I said, this is like something cheap. Like I don't spend too much on makeup, but today a concealer that I've been seeing on TikTok, hold on, we're gonna get into that. Color Bed of Roses, I don't know if y'all can see, and this is the color Pink, Pinch Me Pink, because I wanted like a pink blush. I needed a new flat iron. I already have one, but I need a new one because I just wanted a titanium one. I heard that they were really good, and this is like the cheapest, one of the cheapest ones that had like the big size that were like cheap. And this is an Infinity Pro Conair by their brand. I said, okay, this made the cut, and it's the perfect size, and it's the perfect price for me. Seemed like it was $44, but y'all have to get what you, come on now, what you expect to buy a $20 flat iron and you're here to bone straight. No, you have to invest. That shit came up to $100, and I only bought literally 3 things. It's the Ordinary. I already have the other stuff, which works wonders on my skin, y'all. My skin has been glowing. 2, it's the peeling solution, and y'all, it's like red, and I think I'm gonna try this out tonight. I might not, because I'm gonna be tired. I might go to sleep because I get up early. But this is like, it's red and stuff, and I've been seeing this on TikTok, and I don't know how to use it, but it's like a mask and you leave it on for a certain amount of time. And I don't know if people be overhyping it, but I fuck with the Ordinary products. Like, they didn't break my skin out, or the one that I've been using hasn't. I've been seeing this on TikTok, so I had to get it. Too Faced, and this shit was $30-something, and it's their Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, y'all. I've been seeing this on TikTok, and I saved it, and I was like, yes, I'm gonna go to Ulta, because one down the street by my house, and I'm gonna buy this. And that's what I did, and I'm gonna let y'all know like how like it sets into my skin. Does it really like sculpt it? Does it really do what it's supposed to do? That is all for this whole video. I'm about to close out this vlog. I was just showing y'all everything that I got today, because I didn't show y'all in the car because I was so on the go. If y'all want more vlogs, I want to get more in depth into vlogs and stuff and do more of that when I go places. I will see y'all later, and I'm gonna close out this vlog.